Hey, Jamie, are you in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm snowing.
Yeah, it's snowing. Do you have giant boots on? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Can you get up? Or are you stuck? You're stuck? Hey, Tommy, can you help your sister up? She's stuck. Here, brother to the rescue. Whoa. Can you help her stand up? Because she's got those giant boots on.
Whose giant boots are those?
They're James's. Because we don't have boots for her. I think she's stuck. Daddy? Go get Daddy.
Daddy.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it. You're up. Good job, James. Yay, good girl. You did it. You got up. You did it. You're up. Snow. What a good girl. Yes, boots. Those are big boots.
Mine.
Yeah, those are James's. You're borrowing them. James gave those to brother. Hey, Jamie.
I'm snowing.
It's snowing. Good job. I'm walking. Whoa. Bye, James. Up. Up. You're walking. Chris, she's coming to you. Chris. Bye-bye, Jam Jams.